Now, some good things do come back from the past, and this is the case of CABO, the new CABO 41. Now let's check it out. Now in the cockpit of the CABO 41, we can see how equipped she is for serious fishing. We have two big fish boxes, storage compartment, a stand for a chair or a rod stand. We have a transom live well, and we also have a freshwater and a raw water washdown system. Mezzanine seating, and there's also a storage freezer for any bait that you might have. Now the aft mezzanine seating works as a comfortable spot while you're watching your rods when in the water. And underneath, it also has a massive freezer where you can hold your bait or any of your catch. Now moving along on the upper deck, we have plenty of storage for tackle. We have tackle drawers right here at the back. There is a small freezer. Tackle. 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 And more tackle. An open helm deck with a centered helm chair and an L-shaped lounge provides comfort while you're on your way. With rod storage beneath the helm chair, companion seating and helm console have a clean and functional look. Flush mounted screens, stainless steel wheel and panel switches just all here. From here, a clean view at 360 degrees. Palm Beach style controls, joystick, touchscreens, perfect. Now through a sliding door, we have access down below. As any good fishing boat, plenty of space for rods. And we also have the control for the air conditioning just here. And an easy access for the electrical switching. The galley onto port has a 2-burner ceramic cooktop, chlorine countertops, there's a microwave or conventional oven, fridge and refrigerator drawer style, and a sink. All you'll need for dinner with your family and friends or your fishing buddies. On port, we have this very nice and spacious head. It has its own shower stall, chlorine countertops, sink, toilet, and a small vanity. Up forward, there's a private master stateroom with a Queen Island berth, with hanging lockers and lots of storage for rods. Also, there's a hatch for light and fresh air. Now the CABO 41 comes with the standard Volvo D11s with 670 horsepower, but this model here has the upgrades with 725. Giving it a top speed of around about 37 knots and a cruise between 32 and 33. It has an overall length of 42 feet 10 inches. It has a beam just under 16. There's 550 gallons worth of fuel and there's 95 gallons of water. The dead grease is around 15 degrees. Now up on the bow we have a stainless steel anchor with foot controls, and there's a very strong and robust bow rail. Now from on top of the tower, the view is fantastic. 360 degrees, and from here you'll be able to spot that fish. Now the CABO 41 is the boat that a sports fishing enthusiast will love. It's very comfortable, very spacious. It has everything you need for tournament fishing. So if you're out there on the market looking for a great fishing boat, you should check out the new CABO 41, and it's back from the past. Until next time, see ya.